Coming up next, we're going to delve into a topic that affects plaintiff and defense attorneys who are handling cases involving people who are significantly injured and are going to need medical and nursing care for a prolonged period. Dana Bissontz is my guest, and we talked about the topic of life care planning. Dana, I know that our viewers are going to want to know what were some of the topics that we covered in your show.
Well, we reviewed what exactly a life care plan is and how it's used in the legal arena for both plaintiff and defense counselors or attorneys. We talked about a challenging case that I had. It happened to be one of my first cases that I was involved in. We talked about how an LNC can learn more about life care planning and how to get into the field. How you're approaching a defense case versus a plaintiff case and so forth. And, the qualifications of someone who would want to get into the life care planning field. We covered a lot in a short period of time.
You'll have an opportunity to hear Dana as the podcast coming up next on Legal Nurse Podcast. And if you're watching this on our YouTube channel, we are linking the introduction that we just did to her full podcast so that you can click on and then watch Dana's show. This has been Pat Iyer and Dana Bissontz talking about life care planning and how that impacts the legal system and how you as a legal nurse consultant can be involved in this field if this is something that appeals to you. Coming up next.